So this is going to be the first base box of BoxyCharm for 2022. This is the January base box for $27 now? I think it went up from $25. With tax it comes out to like $30. 5 full-size items, cancel anytime. The link to subscribe to these will be listed down below if you want to check it out, and cancel anytime, which is the best. They do have more expensive boxes, but I don't receive those at the moment. See if this year BoxyCharm is going to be doing any better. Let's go ahead and open this up. I just drove back home. I was outside, but I was waiting to receive the message that BoxyCharm arrived. They don't leave it in a secure place, and the least I need is for it to get stolen, you know? This is interesting. This doesn't look like a winter theme thing, but whatever. So, okay, here's a little pamphlet. It tells us everything we're going to be getting, the prices, a little description. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, jenzbeautystyle, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I do these videos every month, and I will also be receiving Ipsy this month. Something really stood out right now. This thing looks massive. Look at this. So I think this is the second time I'm receiving something from Dragon Beauty. I believe this is an influencer makeup brand from YouTube. This is the lip job liner and lip pencil sharpener. Here it says 2.0. Let's see. I don't use a lot of lip liners. This thing is massive. Why would you need something like this? I don't know. Maybe I'm just saying that because I don't really use lip liners. Contour, reshape, and create your ultimate lip fantasy with this extra large lip pencil. Ultra moisturizing and hydrating. This formula serves fuller lips, needle-free. Keep your lip job liners on point with this single blade Dragon Beauty. This retails for $18. I don't know if I'm going to swatch it. This looks like a brown. I remember when I was much younger, that's exactly what I used to use, brown. Right now, I wouldn't use brown at all. Oh my god, I couldn't be happier about this. I was about to order this thing. This is Haus Labs. We'll see what this is, but I think I know what it is. I just reviewed something from this brand for the first time, which is the Haus Labs limited edition Casa Gaga liquid eyeliner. If you want to see it on my video, but oh my god, I'm so excited. I love Lady Gaga. This is the Haus Labs Glam Attack Liquid Shimmer Powder. This retails for $20. And before we continue, let's take this out. This is in the shade Dynasty. What is this exactly? Oh, I love the packaging. Oh no, the color's not one that I would have picked. But okay, here you go. Just look at this packaging. Do you like it? I love it. This is from Lady Gaga. Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow. This weightless, smudge-proof liquid to powder formula is easily layered and blended so your eyes always have the spotlight. Building up creaseless pigment intensity is simple, so you can dial it up or dial it down. Again, this retails for $20. I will try it out because I just want to see the formula to see if I can buy it in another color, but this is like a green. I don't know. Why would I want a green? I'm sure people love it. Some people will, but they have such beautiful shades, like a rose, a champagne, just beautiful. More like bronzy. But I will have to check this out because I do want to see the formula. They did have these on sale also if you wanted to purchase. I was looking to see if I wanted to purchase like some add-ons, and I was about to purchase that in a moisturizer and I just didn't. Earth Harbor. So this here, where are you? Okay. Earth Harbor Naturals Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm has sea fruits and tropical super berries playful melt across your face with this balm. They insert a lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewy skin yet. This is $38. This is a 1 ounce. I don't understand. What is this exactly? The Ritual as a moisturizer. I don't know if I will want to try this. I do have something else from this brand, which I have. It's like a serum. I like to apply serums at night. This is what it looks like. What do you think? I don't want to open it too much in case, you know, I'm going to give it away. It's closed. I will read up more about this to see exactly, like, I know it says everything here. Dive into glowing skin. I don't like to have glowing skin. I'm super oily. Reading the ingredients, there's oil this, oil here, oil there. Fruit oil, seed oil, all kinds of things. Not that it's bad for you, but seed butter. I don't know. Here it is. Let me know. This is a cruelty-free and vegan product. Not looking too good for me. Okay, this here from Pharmacy. I love this brand, but did you send me something that I really wanted? This is the Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. So there is something that I really want from this brand. I believe it's like a moisturizer, but they have different kinds. There's a specific one that I want. It's a skin plumping micro filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin for more effectively, along with amino acids and vegan collagen peptides to deliver visibly plump, healthy looking skin. This retails for $44. This is cruelty free. Apply to clean skin AM and PM. Pharmacy is a really good brand. Try to open this without damaging it, which I'm not good at. Try. You see, I already broke it. So if I put this in a giveaway and this little thing is broken, I'm sorry, but the product won't be touched. If I put it in a giveaway, I have to see. So here it is. Maybe it's something I will use at night. I don't know. I will have to look more into the ingredients. But there you go. I don't know, they're sending like a lot of moisturizing, glowing, and isn't that why you take that test, you know, to customize it to your skin, your needs, preferences? So this says it's mineral oil free, cruelty free, formaldehyde donor free, paraben free, synthetic fragrance free. I don't know if you can see, my hand will shake some of the ingredients, but there you go. We have our thing here from Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. Do I use a lot of cream for my face? Not really. Not really. Here you go. See, it shows you like the shades here. I believe I've received like one more thing from this brand. Right now, I don't know what I'm excited for. Maybe just the House Labs was good, and I may keep this from Pharmacy, depending. So the step-by-step instructions included inside. Wow, that is nice. That is nice. All right, so this kit contains 6 blendable silky creams that are designed to accentuate, define, and highlight your face. 3 contour shades for sculpting and 3 highlight creams to enhance your favorite features. This kit includes removable and refillable pans packaged in a travel-friendly mirrored palette, specially formulated for fair to dark skin tones. $40. All right. So this sounds just like Anastasia. You know, remember the palette? They were refillable as well. Okay. So you get this here. I guess it tells you the ingredients, how to contour, just in case you're new to contouring, or if you would like to try, you know, their steps, I guess. There you go, instructions. Interesting. So you get a nice face here, showing you how to contour. Just dipped in here. It does have a nice mirror, and then these are the shades. I don't know, maybe this shade will work for me for something, but this here did just dip into that, I guess, contour or highlight, whatever this is here, but I have not touched it. Just letting you know if it goes in a giveaway. I don't really like cream products too much. I don't have anything against them, but for oily skin, I don't think we use a lot of like cream or powder type of makeup. That's just me. What can I say? What can I say? You send me one thing that I may have liked and in a terrible shade for me personally. Sometimes I get to keep like 1-2 things that I really like, but it's really a hit or miss. Let me know how this year goes for you. Maybe you're just getting it for the first time. Let me know what you got. Were you happy with the choices they made for you? Finally, they did send a lot of high-end brands like House and where is it? Where is everything else? Pharmacy. These are really nice brands. I really like House and Pharmacy. Dragon Beauty, it's alright. This one, Earth Harbor, is not bad. I really like the ingredients they use. But in this case, I don't know if this is for me. Above the $27 that I paid, or over like maybe $130, $140. Like you have $44, $40, $38, $18, and $20. So just add that up. That's like way beyond. So it's a nice way to try things. And if you don't like it, maybe you can give it away or you can sell it. Whatever you do, you can cancel at any time. But not impressed. Can't say anything good. Hopefully next month will be better. I really wanted to try, I think, the Allure box. I just saw like a preview and I think the products looked good. I don't know. I think that one's like $23. I think I had that before. Let me know if you get it. What do you think? Maybe they're changing it for this year starting. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm waiting for Ipsy to come. I do get the small glam bag. I really like the bag. That's like what's most exciting for me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.